surprised as to who it is. Andrew Symonds in full flight. There's a chance. Symonds hits. He does! He does! Andrew Symonds one stumped away, Matt. And Jacques Pallas is walking back with a duck next to his name.
Here is Andrew Symonds. There is Andrew Symonds. Rudy Kutson will go upstairs.
We are again seeing what Andrew Symonds is capable of. You've got to pick your fielders. That was too close. He's a fantastic fielder, Andrew Symonds. He's quick, he's accurate, he's strong.
Chance here. Oh, and he's hit them with the batsman well out. So it's a brilliant piece of work there from Andrew Symonds.
What a piece of fielding. What a wonderful piece of athleticism. Twisting and turning and diving and then swivelling without actually getting up onto his feet. And he still hit the stumps and ran the batsman out.
Oh, he's got him. That's a magnificent throw. Yes, forget about that. You don't have to look at the replay here. That is all over. Well, if you hit the stumps direct, then you've got a great chance of a run out. And that's what happened here.
Off the mark, is he? It's press out. Oh, I think he's gone. I think he's thrown out. Oh, by Symonds. What a good bit of fielding. That's Australia right to the very end. Brilliant. Shattered the stump. Penisar way slowly out of the box. It's close, but I think he's gone.
Reed trying to get off the mark. Not to Symonds. Not to Symonds. That is why.